Gimendrani nabuchugi YouTube nalituru gadebe unbechubga te ngagi turu gamchi unbe nabuchugi location de Bhutan nei jo chane bi thome gachi complete bego jewachin gachi complete bego jewachin paror gi mal hijme mama jolla gang matches tele next malgi quality patap de ne bego ya okay bye bye. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing good. So it's been a while. I told you guys already mo dajaleng I left in out sulu my YouTube gi gadebi na Bhutanese karalo help bini video thungko chi zone bi mambe zone so do so 2-3 minutes ki zone ho. So the video di gumaje hema first let's start with my daily vlog mo. So ngada direct ya lebe na showroom nomdi and then showroom na do gaji boy is watching original Fox ki air defense ramigi goggles ni maya chui le ba chu biji so tamatenge unboxing baby hemina ani red color bimichi tele gray color bimichi tele na busu gi shega da anti fog gi spray thopse anti fog gi spray gi la diga chu mo jo chen goggles na ni spray be jaw chen then fog me umade so ania gade views benina chachana tamatenge ida to do chin na showroom na ondi da chile lab do zumbe so ya mobile point na sas jo te ania chulu deliver be jin tele khodanga rubbe ya unboxing beni to guys so ya head chahiye weather di bo chai boring do me na sa sem shino gom theno ya weather de mina muni zumbe de thite so ani bendegi ya head talu chahiye guys time waste ma begi mo and the back na packed up tele jo bujuni buzu song what's up welcome back to the welcome with the song with the vlog yeah tani di back na tube ya di do I have the chung guys let's go nalu donut de moi andi bago be tari my favorite mino dari peanut ki so oreo donut bani okay let's la jo the donut shop ane nalu so nagi the favorite me donut de mina. And then guys mo ani bike ye review jo bara jinebi me khatarnak be review jingo demo the honest reviewing ai de me na to bike gade be na to so far the mama dam chakachak sta me de me jiks me na then guys ana helikitigi ane be taung se hoi de cute pe jago de chala dus de me na gachi beru ani de gachi be jai jo chani dimi me na chuku jere ma de ani gi safe pe jago me na de remember tin na sama don cham da dimi je so yeah I have the chege guys la so la town hit me tadi ami mela bu de la bu minu mela de mo thon me te ro ki town hit ji se so chui thon den da mobile point na deliver ji ba jo 해지메 지 말 야 피셔제 파스 말기 토가라 가드라지 야 아니 피니오 파스 언박싱 피메 돼야 저 가미치라 바이 맞는 저기 아짜라 아짜라 자도 미테미나 야 지자샤 지누지 너무 니샤르 체 되는 메메다 지자샤 내가 아스카리나 아스카리 말다네 메인 말디야 야 거러기 말 해지메 야 피다 저 언박싱 체데지가 베니랍징 아이 록나 마치 레주미 치고스 거러기 말디요 데 아네베 yeah color mal hijme mama jolla gang matches tele next malgi quality ta me jo quality kane lab ko miss jo quality na je racing jab to suni ki andi se racing jab jo do mod pikta ni ki tele na je ani che du me anti fog game zum do na je anti fog game zum chi na je chu anti fog ki mal hinu me mal halam chi hinu color so changing ya jo red ki mal di red mal hinu mo ana ani di color dar khatra hi mo jo space gray ani di tati ji ba tati string quality ni aina ambo nuchulu di mibu nuchulu na naste mo tension me mo andi achulu ina color gi mal hiji mo anta me da jana quality ta me quality the last piece linu me guys if you want black na ludu go wajin dawati lo contact beni dawati gi choni me de beroya promote ani na anyu baro chobar 자자 피자 담아 커스터머스 종 제다베 백 드스타메데 뭐죠 백기 피니싱 드스타메데 하나 lamma tele daruchi khadrachi annazilu koltengme ana atra anti fog beauty spray tambe deudani ana me ana dani yo de dato mata jani clean baby tangolo ba so annazi da annazi plastic de se produit me retibero kade bi do mal de okay mo na bale achi ambo thoni memo मार्केट जाता ही में हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम मिस जो लॉजिक्स थे जो ओजीबी का लेने सब से जो आने भी जस हम जो जाएंगे गाइस इमीडिएटली से जो इलाज दिस्ता में दे यार मैं तो बता वही द तो बेंदा शेयर जो तो मैं तो साची नाले में माँ फुल राउंड न जने भी terna full match evademo BPL gi so ane bindigi la chibi hanigi nale ma jodo ma have the chong guys to ammo jam do the town na bade benna da jam do me jam tana chale di college so start be umma so dare to jimi de sala me bone me town na ba one jogo de nebe so ma have the chong guys to اسمه باي جدين باي سبسكرايب لهم يدي قلبي انا يدي قاعد ما تهدي يا yes the what T vlogs yeah
can you read it
yeah okay bye you can search in YouTube okay the what T vlogs the what T yeah you will be also in my vlog today bye to ben chani mi thai chime let's go ani YouTube ki kole ben ana develop gozum cheda nas dev hello achide ati training job set team ra jab de gajer vi rakho कोच सोता में कोच कांचू गए हम कोच कांचू सोता हूँ कोच कंटेंट देखो दे कंटेंट नहीं मिल अच्छा था मिचा सीरियस में भी करे जाओ जी लोग कोच stretching सही कीजी जो तब दे चिवा भी वो तो मेरा कोई हेलो 좋아. 내가 팔에 나오니. Als pass weg. Okay. Nada de style tem gostar, né, então. Né, prime top tilo. No melo, chimda jodilo. The training na crossfire de geno no vai de matar re ma pa ging gir to bade mo. Speed de mo. 250cc mo wana. Tu de bade mo. E também de football chini grais. Position de gajino striker no.
Super back.
Pure goalie.
Oh, super bench.
Hello, Ganovi. Wo. Ganovi acho, chimda jodi please. Obsto PSE.
3-4.
Hello everyone. This Vaitika, please say some word. Do you have some word? Huh? Acho. Your first goal of the season. First goal after how many years?
Much, but I'm really happy with my team because we won the game and we grabbed the 3 points.
After how many years you scored?
Man of the match
Honestly, Acho.
Just a few years.
Yeah. Man of the match, Dagi Jagdul. Please say something. Don't touch your hair.
I have nothing to say, man. I have nothing to say.
Simena. Noko, tinong date chamo. Huh? Yolana. Popo. Second assist of the match. 2 assists in 1 game. Any words? Huh? Simple. Ajo, honestly, how many is after how many years you scored? After how many years you scored? Honestly. 7
years.
5 years.
Out of 5 years.
2022
Almost more.
na acho.
2021.
2021.
Same team.
Eh.
Playing from high quality. I scored 8 goals and he scored only 2 goals.
Kita, anything, bro? Hey, Torres. How are you? How are you today? All good. How was yesterday's match? All good. Bolo, anything? How was yesterday's match? Good. How are you? No fatigue, nothing, pain.
No, nothing.
Old man, young man.
Me, young man.
Young man.
Yeah, 22.
Torres.
Maybe hold.
Okay. So now we will alam chugu jawab themo nga content bra mix up jundi ki tabra made so dari bewa chang alam ni bi monetize gade bewa Bhutan nalo. So now we chugi location de Bhutan na is chane bi thome. Monetization is not available in your location. So that's why you have to always keep away from Bhutan. It means that the Australia, India, USA gati jade berto, but easy for you. Dele after that nabutsugi gachi complete bego zewachin 4,000 watch hour, and then after that 4,000 watch hour complete jo jele subscriber diben 1,000 go. So 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour be half monetized done zumchi. The full monetization namle earn besub in 1,000 subscribers and after that 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so ane be nabutsugi YouTube channel gumachu hemara ngai nabutsu tips chuko chijinge. YouTube channel gumachu hema vlog gazum zoni mo, because YouTube channel pure active be and then videos this way back to back tang over there. So first gumachu hema long video chunera me long vlogging guma chema long vlog chunera me first short vlog this shots this is to mambe and so wajin then now to YouTube channel mambe viral joni chances mo. Then after that gade be thong wajin Bhutan nalu country Bhutan na said mabewa after like monetize jo gara complete jo saudalu andum chi thong mega with partnership with Google AdSense andum bithongba. So Google AdSense zodalo and also careful bego Google AdSense zodalo correct information jingo phone number the correct chugo. Then after that now sa gane me tax information chi diu the Bhutan ge postal code ge and this sunchirai the BOB account chi link be ni chirai, so easily on web. So my tips this mam be share be next vlog nalu so that is main dirani now to YouTube nalu turu gade be on be chupga te ngagi turu gamchi on be ze ma shuchi gira demo. So master gira lamme the iPhone chinyo subelo azum chi be subelo se ngagi easy be lab gemo easy be lab ge tax se tok ba me khongi ngagi. So easy be lab ge ngagi exact de milab to so easy be lab go jen ngagi 3 months ki through stack you today. So I after vlog to be there the last time demo. So ngai ta jalaya heb dalu laya ye vlog this nal tro chama be an be subchiba. So gara be dalu around mo 50,000 बेचारा था तो अलम संबे 50,000 बेचारा more than that also less than that also but ngai 50,000 बेचागी 50,000 dem जो सबची so that to be watching ngai the fifth month dem jo fifth month dem be odalu ngai this month nalu kam जो सबची la watching around 10,000 dem jam जो सबची so gole be mam jo so na bche start be mo jo start be video mam be zo youtube nalu upload be je Bhutan nale youtubers mam honde so ngai khatole de advice ramchi te guys now to help go urgent please to contact me Instagram gate very very but I don't know how to any monetize beni digalo chungalo JW films ki beji but easy ngai khogi be chabe ngare gi achere hapchi so now to help go chunga ya achere guide beji ge so am chere guys so next vlog nalu mambe ngai idea to share bege so that is main vlog drani how to earn from YouTube channel and what things you required what things are required for the monetization in Bhutan because basically Bhutan nalu chamchi it's not eligible for the monetization okay so on this training jab de na chi time chi ten be video chi so so see you guys lo the vlog to complete ma jo mo da chi na football ki video de se chunu chi ga zo jai ta ma ga chere be ga tra jong gar na chulu ten dere jo so ga ra gi subscribe be ni so ai idea de su ma am be share be ga gi hub me de su share be I must admit this YouTube le home. So YouTube is the platform where you can learn and you can share your knowledge as well. So I'm Jimmy guys, bye bye. Cricket in a sub way. Cricket. Cricket. Anyway, cricket चलते में फुटबॉल की
हमरा पिसाई में पैसे का के हमरा पिसाम पे
बॉलिंग फाल सब देता बॉलिंग ने जो जी
Kali matamu.
पातब दे ने बिगो या
Cina.
तो जिले से बारा बताओ तरह शोरूम ना लोग खींची शोरूम नोंगो में दिन दादी तरह आना लो चला चुनी है दातेंगे में गई सुसाबित हुआ डोनट पार्टी alright guys so daregiri vlog amchi में mo so gara ki subscribe chi bejana hit the bell icon to get notified bye bye guys see you all in the next vlog